Okay, so we're at the Cicada Market. This is sort of just over the road from our hotel, 5 minutes away. There's the bar I pointed out this morning, have a live band on, music and singing and dancing. And then we're just going to come over here now and have some dinner. It's a big market, lots of food stalls, and there's some other like stores around the outer perimeter selling clothes and art and jewellery and all that sort of stuff. They have live bands on as well. They've got a band here, look, playing some local music. So on the inner area here, that's where all the food is. You can sit down on the tables, eat your food. Oh, and that's a point where I have to make. There's no cash sales here. You have to buy coupons. There's one of the coupon boxes over there. So you buy the coupons and then you exchange them for the food. Basically, it tells you how much it is. But there must be some point to using it. I'm not sure what it is. So we have the puppet show here. This is pretty good actually. And sometimes there's different. Sometimes there's kids controlling it, young kids. I don't know how well the camera will pick that up, but it is good fun. Maybe the Asian version of Punch and Judy, I don't know. Okay. So I think we're going to get something to eat first because they do stop serving the food at around, well, in around half hour's time. So I think we'll get some tickets and then we can find something to eat. And then we'll have a look around. I'll show you around later. So there's the coupons. We've had 500 bahts worth. You can see they're all different values, 50, 20, 10. And you just whatever the value of the food is, obviously you give them that, and away you go with a mixer. So I'm not sure what I'm going to have now tonight, to be honest with you. Last night I had some Korean barbecued pork and chicken, and that was good. It was very good actually. We're going to go down this way. Some chicken there. Sausages, chicken, barbecued chicken. They do have a band playing, a live band over the back there. I'll show you that later. They're pretty good actually. Sort of playing jazz and soul music. You can sit down, eat your food, listen to the music. It's entertaining. Hello. Thank you. So that's where she was giving me a little bit of a taste there, but that was where I ate last night. It is good food actually. Now they have some lobster there. Hello. Pizza. Some grilled fish. Well, I had fish. We had fish for our lunch, so I don't want fish again. And they do good spaghetti bolognese there. I had that one the first night we was here. That's very tasty. French fries, Go on the menu. You know what? Sometimes there's too much to choose from, and you just don't know what to have. You know what I might get? Up there, there's some like pork balls. Did you see those? Or the pad thai? No pad thai? We don't want the pad thai. Yeah, so they make like their traditional Thai foods as well, pad thai, or I get a drink from there, Sprite, to have my dinner. Well, they've got these pork balls out there, so I might try those. Okay, so we'll just get our food and then I'll show you what we've got when we sit down. Okay, so I've gone for the half roasted chicken and some sticky rice. Everybody has had some pork and rice and some seaweed stuff. Mine was 185 baht, which is about £3.50. Everybody's was 85 baht, which is about £2, maybe a bit less, about £1.90. We've had a Sprite and a bottle of water. Okay, so we're just going to eat the food. Looks really good. Then over the back, I don't know if you can see the band. You can certainly hear them. Okay, so I'll let you know what the food's like when we've tasted it. Well, the chicken is really good, and you get two little pots of like a chili dip and some other sort of sauce, and then you've got the sticky rice as well. Really good. And Yuvadi, so what's your dinner like? What's your pork like?
Very good, very tasty.
Very tasty? Yeah. Enjoying your dinner?
Yeah, I enjoy dinner.
Okay, so there you go. The dinner is very tasty. Okay, so we've just finished our dinner there. Food is really good, reasonably priced as well. And I think this market, it's only open Fridays, Saturdays and Sundays. I will confirm that, but I do think that's the case, so it's not open in the weekdays. There is another little market just a little bit further on. It's not as big as this, and the variety of food isn't as much as well. Less choice. So we had some coupons left, and we're just going to exchange those back. So that's what happens. You buy a bundle of coupons, and if you don't use them, you can exchange them. Well, you have to exchange them on the same day that you bought them, before 11 p.m. Okay, so we'll just have a bit of a walk around the market now and show you around the other bits. You got all the little bar stalls here around the outside, and here's the band. Live band, and they're pretty good actually. Most of the stuff's cover material. I don't know if some of it's their own stuff, but I didn't recognise all of it.
มีชาวไทยอยู่ไหมครับไม่มีมีไหมพอเลิกเลยมีหนึ่งครับมีหนึ่งคนนะครับโอเคถือว่าเป็นเสียงข้างมากใช่เป็นคนไทยที่
Okay, I'm not sure what he's doing here. He's talking to the crowd, but I'm not sure what he's saying.
ผมให้สิทธิ์คุณพี่อยากฟังเพลงสากลเลยครับอ้าวแล้วจะถามคนไทยทำไมล่ะจะถามเพลงไทยครับพี่ผมไม่ได้ร้องนานมาก
band. Well, one of the live bands. Ladies' clothes there. Yeah, they're just shooting up shop there. There are actually sort of two or three entrances into this market. This is over here on the left hand side, that's the side entrance. This is the front where we came in, and there's another entrance on the other side. Oh, bracelets there, sandals. Sculpture. Iron sculpture. So there's one of the entrances there, the side entrances. We've got that road there leads down to the beach, which is just behind us. Sunglasses, bracelets. And over here you have more this like sort of actually they're selling golf clubs over the back there. There's the entrance, look, or one of them. You've got all sort of little purses there and jewellery and that sort of stuff. Actually I've got some second-hand stuff as well. Some clothing. I think all this stuff is sort of second-hand, antique stuff maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's all sorts of stuff here. Yeah, got some paintings. Again, these are second-hand paintings. Skateboards. Oh wow. And assortments of golf clubs. Actually, they don't look brand new, so they're probably second-hand. Got a surfboard in there as well, look. Yeah, I've got some books. Some more paintings. And some clothes. I think they're ladies' jeans. Some hats. More cuddly toys. And we're back around the by the band again. Okay, so I'm going to finish the video there. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please like, share and consider subscribing. Watch out for my other videos that will be coming out very soon.